How to make your liked videos private on TikTok. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the homepage of TikTok where you can view all the reels that are shared on TikTok. Then, tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're here, tap on the menu at the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy from this menu. Once you're in, select the option Privacy. Then scroll down and tap on this option Liked Videos. After that, select the option Only You from this menu. Now no one would be able to see your liked videos except for you. This is the best way to maintain privacy and gain more control over your activities. So, by following these steps, you can make your liked videos private on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.